As a grower, you might know how important it is to fulfill your plant's needs in every growth phase, especially the bloom and ripening phase. But since there is such a high variety of different products available, it might be a challenge to find the right product.
When you are an environmentally conscious grower, this challenge is even harder, since you want to give your plants nutrients that enhance flavor and accelerate flower formation, but also contain organic compounds.
The solution is simple.
Buy Bloombastic.
Bloombastic with a green twist. After the success of Bloombastic, ATAMI wanted to develop a product with the same quality and results, especially for the environmentally conscious grower, launching Buy Bloombastic.
It is an all-in-one bloom additive that works as a stimulator, hardener, taste enhancer, and as activator for various enzymatic processes. Fertilizers with a high pK content are mineral fertilizers, so it is important for organic growers to continue to give organic substances even during the flowering phase so that the root environment stays healthy. Buy Bloombastic contains organic fertilizers and therefore supports microorganisms during the flowering phase.
Without microorganisms, the root can't take up organic fertilizers. So, supporting microorganisms and thus maintaining a healthy root environment will therefore improve your yield.
So, do you want to give your plants an all-in-one bloom additive and want to make sure the level of microorganisms will be preserved?
Try out Buy Bloombastic and join the ATAMI universe.